What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. Look you guys, I'm finding new items right here in Dollar Tree. This is a new product, it's called One. It's a multi-surface foaming cleanser. It says for wood and more, no drip foam, and it's in a grapefruit scent. Okay, here's what it works on. Plastic, porcelain, vinyl, steel, stone, finished wood. ScottsLiquidGold.com is the company, made in the USA. Looks like it's been around since 1951. If you guys have tried it, let me know in the comments. Do you like it? What do you use it on? Share so that everyone can know whether or not it's good, because I'm just one person and I couldn't possibly try everything in here, you know? Anyways, I like hunting for new things and sharing them with you guys. Of course, we have a lot of staples in here, our Fabulosos, our super concentrated pine sols. We have spick and spans that we can always count on. Pine Glow, antibacterial, really big containers of those. Sometimes we have, oh, here it is. We have the Pinalin brand. I love this. It smells so good. Makes your house smell really nice. We have so many options as far as multi-purpose cleaners are concerned here in Dollar Tree. Looks like the Fab pods are here, 10 to a pack. We have LA's Totally Awesome Wool Wash. I've heard really good things about this one. We have the Fab powder. That's relatively new. We also have the Ajax powder. I believe they're suggesting that it's good for about 6 loads. We also have the 10-pack Fresh and Clean laundry pods. Little Gains, Little Downies. We have a big bottle of pre-wash. It's a really big bottle. It's 32 ounces. And then all of the liquid laundry detergents. A lot of them look like they're trying to copy other brands. What do you guys think? Do you guys have a favorite? I've heard a lot of good things about this one, but I personally haven't tried it. We also have fabric softener. We have the little scent beads. We have the extra 30 load concentrated fabric softeners. We have the dupes to Febreze. We have a lot of dupes in here, you guys. We have disinfectant sprays, bleach. We have the Clorox wipes, 9 in this one, 15 in this one, 15 in this one. Ooh, I think this one is brand new. This Suavitel is, I don't know, maybe the package is just brand new. It's in Floral Burst. We also have Morning Sun. We only have 18 in a box. They're calling them, what are they calling them? Portable size, or yeah, portable size. We also have the fabric softeners. They're suggesting between 12 and 13 loads per bottle. We have Spray Starch by Brillo. I think this is brand new. Maybe you have a uniform to regularly iron. Tell me your favorite uses for starch, if that's something that you regularly use. Do you have any hacks for starch? I'd love to know. I love hacks. This packaging looks new. Lemon scented bleach. We also have a LA's Totally Awesome cleaner with bleach. Window cleaner, a brand name that we all recognize, The Works Classic Clean. Carpet and stain remover, glass cleaner. We have rust, lime, and calcium remover, hopefully. This looks like it's trying to be a dupe for soft scrub. Let me know if you guys have tried that. Okay, I don't see the yellow one here, but you guys know the yellow one of this? It smells like lemon Lysol spray. I really like it. Oh, we have even more from Brillo. A foaming bathroom cleaner. Another one. We have lots of options. Tidy Bowl, that's name brand. We have lavender Comet with bleach, lemon fresh. Now, not all stores carry this, but some Dollar Trees have this. I know a lot of people love this one. They say this is their favorite. We have a classic just with bleach. And then we have huge containers of Ajax. These are 28 ounces each. Lots and lots of dish soap. This one is one that I always want to get. I totally don't need it though. This one is Citrus Berry Splash. Lots of options from LA's Totally Awesome. We have Palmolive, smaller Palmolive, Fresh and Clean, Oxy, Citrus Lemon, Original, Super Pretty Lavender and Lime, Soft Touch, Antibacterial. Up top we have an ultra concentrated. You guys please let me know. I think this one is brand new. They're calling it Oxy Blue and they're saying that it's ultra concentrated. Is it true, you guys? Is it truly ultra concentrated? Because if it is, I want to try it. We also have the 25% more limited time bonus size. This is 16 ounces. This is 12.6. So definitely look for the bonus size. Always look for the bonus size. Look, you guys, even these are bonus size. 10 ounces versus 8 ounces. Let's go ahead and look at some hand soap. And then I'm out of here, you guys, because they're going to be closing in about an hour. I don't know. I haven't checked my time lately, but I have noticed some new hand soaps over here. We have brand new soaps by the Lucky brand. We have Ocean Fresh. We have Fresh Kiwi and Melon. These two are definitely new. We have Milk and Honey. I believe this is new. This huge bottle of Safeguard Micellar Deep Cleansing. This is a liquid hand soap refill. It's 22 ounces, you guys. And these sell for more at Walmart. We have Fresh Breeze, soft soap, Jergens, Ever So Classic Cherry Almond, love that scent. Aquamarine, that's also a brand new one. Yes, you guys, we have lots of hand soap options. Do you guys remember earlier in the pandemic, we couldn't find hand soap anywhere? We were lucky if we had 10 bottles on the shelf. But now we're back to being spoiled again with so many choices. Too many choices actually to choose from. Let me know if you guys have a new favorite. I'm really curious about this one and this one. I love buying hand soap and cleaning supplies. I mean, it's stuff you know you're gonna use, and I don't know, I just love shopping for these sorts of things. Anyways, you guys, I think that's about it for me here in Dollar Tree. I had so much fun going live. If you guys caught my live, I had so much fun shopping with you guys, and I had a lot of fun filming for you guys. This location is always fun to visit because everyone that works here is so nice, and the store is always in great condition. But all right, you guys, that's it for me. My phone's about to die and I need to go check out soon. So I hope you guys had fun. If you did, please consider subscribing and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. Anyways, you guys, it was a great time and I would love for you to join the family. But all right, I know I already said that. I'm out of here, you guys. Love you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.